your safety, please familiarise yourself with the installation procedure before you begin. Check your delivery. Do you have the right doors? Has the packaging been damaged? Once signed for, no compensation to make a claim can be made. When you have inspected the inner packaging and you're happy that everything is in order, sign off on the delivery and begin to prepare the installation. If your order contains more than one door set, you can identify each door using the label on the inner packaging. Measure the door laying down on the pallet, and again once the door is rested up against the wall. When you have carefully removed the inner packaging, you are ready to measure the actual size of the door with the frame. If you are replacing an existing door, we recommend you check the structural opening and over frame size of your existing door against the over frame size of your new door. Measure the aperture that the door set is going into. On a new install, check the door size against the aperture that the door will eventually occupy. Remove the fixing kit and installation guide sheet from the frame packaging. It contains QR codes for your easy access to the operation and maintenance manual. You will also find the door seals in the door frame. You will notice that the door is supplied fully assembled with the threshold fitted to the frame. Only the side expanders are separate. To avoid damage, remove the door from the frame and set it aside, taking care not to damage the powder coating. The side panel is supplied complete as a separate unit. To install the glazed panel, you will need to remove the 4 sections of beading by removing the fixing screws. Once the beading has been removed, the glass can be taken out and set aside safely. Retain the beading strips and fixings together with the glazing. Lay your door frame down alongside the side panel frame, inserting the double expander between the frame of your door and the frame of your side panel. Clamp all 3 parts together, ensuring fully aligned at the head jamb. Add the steel fixings to secure the frame from the side panel to the double expander to the frame on your door. Lay your top panel frame down above the head jamb of your door frame and side frame. Clamp together, checking alignment with your door frame. Add the steel fixings to secure the frames together. Check the adjuster screws are flush with the edge of the frame. Put the side expanders back on the frame, making sure that it is aligned. Insert the complete frame into the opening. Offer your frame into the structural opening. Adjust your expander bolt out so the frame holds itself in the structure, but not all the expander bolts, just enough to hold it in place. Check with the spirit level that your hinge jamb is aligned. Ensure hinge jamb in plumb and adjust accordingly. When the frame is in position, begin at the hinge jamb, drill through the adjuster bolts into the surrounding structure. Take care not to damage the adjusters. We suggest fixing only the top adjuster hinge jamb rebate side at this time. Check with the spirit level that the hinge jamb is still plumb and place the second fixing at the rebate in the bottom of the hinge jamb. Now that the hinge side is secure to the fixings, you can reattach the door to the frame. We recommend that this is a 2-person job. Close the door leaf into the strike jamb. If necessary, manipulate the strike jamb to meet the door leaf, ensuring the astragal is plumb on the strike jamb. Add 1 fixing to the top side panel jamb when the door is closed. Check the adjuster and add fixing. Ensure the door leaf is still plumb on the strike jamb after adding firm fixing, and add further fixing at the bottom of the strike jamb. Check the operation of all door furniture, being careful not to damage them. Drill through the remaining adjuster bolts and add fixings. Check that the door opens and closes easily. Attach the seal supplied, ensuring you follow the fitting instructions provided. At this point, refit the glazed panel using the 4 sections of beading and the fixing screws. When fully satisfied that your door is fully operational, add your top panel. Secure with the fixings provided, fix the cover panel to the back of your mullion with the fixings supplied. Recheck the door is fully operational with no binding, adjust at the adjuster bolts if necessary.